Wincom. What is it? What does it do? Let's talk about that now. So let's talk about Wincom. What is it? Let's start there. So it is a solution, a cloud-based solution that will manage the customizations that you create for Windchill, which is PTC's PLM solution. And I think to explain this, we need a little bit of context. So when you deploy any PLM solution, you can configure it, which means changing the parameters and options that it offers, and then you can create customizations. And customizations are, I don't know, it's extending, in some cases extending the functionality of the PLM platform. In other cases it's overriding existing functionality within the platform, and that involves lots of code. So it's like software development, if you will. So the problem, and I've talked about this before with Eris, the problem that you traditionally have is that when you develop customizations, when you go to upgrade to the next release of the PLM platform, or any kind of platform, those customizations will break. And that, that's kind of, that can be very expected because, think about it this way. When a PLM provider develops a new release, they're changing some of the calls underneath the platform in the solution because they want to do things, they want to improve it, right? There are enhancements that might change how things work underneath the covers with the software. So the big problem is, how do you get those to upgrade over time? So what does Wincom do? So Wincom has a set of, first off, it's a cloud-based platform. So you visit this site in a browser, and all of your customizations can be managed there. Okay, as a matter of fact, they show me a large number of customers already do manage their customizations there. So those customizations are loaded up, and what the system does is it checks compatibility of those customizations to different releases of the PLM solution. So that's one thing. So checking compatibility before you download it and you try to get it to work with your on-premise instance of PLM. So that's one thing. The other thing that happens is that you can use some of their standard customizations. So if you want this type of functionality, they might already have that customization, and they maintain it, and they will maintain compatibility with the PLM solution release after release after release after release. So it takes some of the guesswork, maybe a little bit of the ownership out of those customizations, and that's something that can help a lot. So yeah, it gives you more visibility into the compatibility of your customizations to new releases. It gives you access to some standard customizations, and that can go a long way to improving, how quickly you can upgrade to the newest release and how smoothly you can upgrade to the newest release. And frankly, I'm not quite sure why PTC has not bought them yet, frankly. It seems like it would be a pretty good solution, and it would be a big value add to a lot of customers. That's it. Take care and talk soon.